In this tutorial, we are going to be talking about programs. Now, how do you know the program that I installed inside your PC? Now, remember that I showed you initially that we are having so many icons on the screen. Now, these icons we have on the screen, I told you that many manufacturers of different software, many software companies, when they make their software, they make it that immediately you finish installation, when you are installing, it's going to put an icon on your screen. Do you get it now? Now, on your desktop, you have many icons here. You see them, most of them are shortcuts. You understand? A shortcut is a kind of, it has a link, like I told you before. Now, each of these are all shortcuts representing the program. All the programs are actually installed on your drive C. Now, I told you that this is drive, and this is drive C. You see, these are where all the programs have been installed. So as a user of this PC and as a fundamental user of this PC, you are not allowed to come into this place and delete anything. Now, programs can be installed and uninstalled. Now, when you install a program, the program, you can say, I don't want it again. Example is, now look at here, these are apps. But by the time you go towards the right, you see that you're having other applications. These applications are known as software programs. Now, assuming this is a program, you can see this program called Brain Workshop. Now, this Brain Workshop, I can actually uninstall it from my PC. Any software I don't like inside my PC, I can actually automatically uninstall it. Now, remember that by the time you install any program, that it always takes space in your PC. And when you no more like using it, you can automatically uninstall it. And how do you uninstall these programs? Let me go back to my desktop by pressing my Windows logo D. Now, by the time I get here, how do I actually go to my desktop? Remember that in our fundamental class, we actually talked about going to the control panel. The control panel is the area where any operation is done to set the particular PC. Now, remember, look at this place, that we are having an icon here known as the program. Now, this particular menu, if you click on it, now you come to this place, programs and features. Now, you can either uninstall a program, you can turn a feature on or off, you can view installed updates, and also you can run programs made from previous version of Windows, or how to install a program. Now, click on how to install a program. Automatically, this is going to give you a hint of how to actually install a program. But actually, I'm not going to actually teach you only how to install a program, but also I'm teach you how to uninstall a program. First of all, we'll start with how to uninstall a program. Now, click on this. You see, automatically it's going to open the list of all the programs inside your PC. Another way of going to this place is to go to your computer. Automatically when you open this, you click on computer and then you click on uninstall or change a program. Change a program actually means you actually want to either update a program or give it more features. Now, these are the programs we are having, and I told you that I want to uninstall a particular unwanted program from my PC, and that program is what? Brain something. Since I cannot see it here, I'll just type brain here so that I can actually see it. Brain. Good. So this is it. So now I can actually click on this to remove everything. That is if I actually seen it. Brain. So this is it. Now I can double click on it, or I just click on it and click on uninstall. Now, by the time you want to install a program, you discover that the publisher names are there. Also, we have the installed on, you see, label, which actually has to do with, this was the date the PC was actually installed. The software was actually installed. And this is going to give you the version. It's going to tell you the particular version of the particular PC. Of the particular software that was installed inside your PC. And how do you do that now? Remember, I've already clicked on uninstall, and this is what. Are you sure you want to actually completely remove it? Yes. So I click on it. Automatically, I'm going to uninstall the program, and the program is no more there in my PC. Neither is it on my desktop, neither is it on my startup menu anymore. Do you get it now? So what I want to do now, I go back to my desktop, and then how do we actually install a program? And that's going to be the next thing we are going to be doing now. To install a particular program, what to do is this. Now, I will go into my computer. Immediately I insert my disk containing the software, or the software is actually located in a particular area of your PC. What you just have to do, this is my disk drive. Now I have this software list inside, and I want to install a particular software. Now some software, actually when you download them from the internet, actually zipped up. Now what I have to do now, since I have one here, one of the description you actually have to know that this is the software is that the software has a particular size. Now you have what we call the type. The type description actually has to do with the application. When time you are dealing with Microsoft's operating system, you actually have this one labeled as what? Application. So you can actually double click on it. By the time you double click on it, you are going to have a kind of pop-up on the screen when you are working with Windows 8 telling you that you actually want to install it, or you want to make changes to this PC. That's the user account controller I told you about. Then you press yes. Automatically the installation begins. Then there's going to be a guide, which is very, very simple. By the time you just read and then install what you want to install, direct location and others. To know more about how to install, make sure you get our particular tutorial on a must for every PC user. That's how we teach you how to install, how to repair anything you want to actually do, and that is how you install and uninstall programs for your PC. You see, I've already installed it, and this is it here. I have worked on it. So that is how you actually install on your PC. So let's go to another topic and meet me in the next class. Thank you.